Hi guys, it's me, Luna, and today it's gonna be not normal. We're not gonna be playing Roblox, not gonna be playing PKXD. We're not gonna play anything. Not Stumble Guys, not anything. But we are gonna unwrap Hatchimals, guys. Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe. But they have turned to something different. They had go back in time. They have turned to baby. They have a diaper on. So let's get started opening. We have 6 things to open, and including a baby bottle. So let's start with pearl. No, it's already broken. That's why we always have to start with color purple. So let's get started. They have a pacifier. Oh my. Oh my god, it's actually opening. It's, oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, what? They have hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Their eyes have turned kawaii. No, no, no. Oh my god, their eyes. They have turned to kawaii. I love them. What's under this place? So,
yeah, like that.
I want to see what's under here. It's, this is the best. Oh my god, and by the way, my uncle bought it for me, and my granny, they both bought it. My granny let me, and my uncle paid. That's so cute! Oh my god, this is the important thing, but I'm scared there's something down there. I am already using water. You want me to add more water? More water, the more worse it gets.
There's nothing on the bottom.
No, I'm scared there's something. Yes, there's something. Oh, it's just tissue. What's that? Blue thing. Told you something's under there.
You open the next one first.
Okay, so we're always gonna start, I think, orange. Oh no, this is the spot. I'm filling up the bottle. Nothing's happening.
It's gonna soften the skin.
Oh yeah, you're right. It will kind of soften the skin. It's not. Oh my god, it's cracking! Oh my god, it's cracking. It's cracking. There's a kraken. Don't tell me it's a cat. I already have a lot of cats, but I still want it. Freedom! Meow. You know stuff, right? People know how they say meow. Oh my god, it's holding a guitar.
You put it like this, then they pop out.
Oh,
Like this.
that makes more sense.
See?
It's like Jisoo.
It pops up.
Let's put all of these stuff in here. Wait, I'm gonna dip this like... Oh my god, this is so cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, guys. I wanna... Wait, can I put this paper in here? Nothing. Nothing happens. Why? Why is this? Oh my god, dog. And by the way, it's a devil cat. So that's how you open it. But I'm still curious. What's it? Paper. There's something. I feel there's a mic. A side. Is this? Oh, this is like one of those things like dun 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 dun. What's this? A flute? No, there's something. Oh, there's. Okay, that's interesting. Go. Peas, guys. Stuffed peas. P-U. Okay. I hope this.
Show them first before you do it.
So this is a blue one, and it has a pink pacifier. Is this a unicorn? It looks like Sunny. It's another opossum. I did not mean to put you in the water. Oh my God! It's so cute. I wish you guys could have these toys. Like, they're amazing. These pacifiers are annoying. Oh my God, these are so cute. One more egg, guys. What happens if I put the pacifier? It's cracking.
Let it be though.
It is a crown. It's hatching and it has a crown. Oh my God. It could not be an axolotl. Could not. What is this? What is this? What is this? What? 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 Understand, like, what? What is that creature? Hatchimal eggs falling from the sky. I don't know why.
Okay, now you put the Hatchimal in the
Why
heart.
do they look?
Put the Hatchimal in the heart.
Okay, I'm just gonna hatch this. Each of them comes with a pacifier. So I'm gonna put the pacifier, guys. Is that upside down? They're babies! Baby, baby, baby. They're babies! I mean, this one's so cute. It's raining tacos from out of the sky instead of their eggshells from out of the sky. Don't know why, but they're raining eggshells. Okay? Hee hee. Hee hee kiki. Hee hee kiki. Hee hee's kiki. Heis. This one was the first one. Oh, we're supposed to make them based on color. So this one purple. This one was
Based on the
last.
eggs.
Yes, based on the eggs, like this. The yellow. This one was the blue one. Then this one, what? And then this one was. There's two colors that are not based on the eggs. Like there's no orange.
So
They're all Hawaiian. No, we haven't showed these. There's a drum. Dun, 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 dun. Which one did I open first? There's a drum. Wait, let's finish all this first. Guys, you're not babies anymore and you don't need pacifiers. You guys look kind of weird with the pacifier. They gone so pretty and stuff. We're like in a show, guys. I like to wish them up. I do the pen papa. Are you Yes, I'm making it fast. You don't need pacifiers. So we're going to make it like this. I want to make the leader, like the one holding the mic. Like, where is that? Poppy, where was that one? I need to see it. Picky with their food. So that one has this microphone, and this one has this yellow drum. Then this weird creature can have. So this is how the group looks. This is how the group looks. Is it cool? I don't know what was on the cat. The cat's instrument is right here. It's a drum. It's a drum. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. I'm gonna turn off this.